welcome to my channel. Today I am discussing the best natural latex mattress available in India. So to buy this mattress, I have gone through lots of research. Then I searched various offline stores. But what I found, the price they are offering in the offline stores are unsatisfactory for me. So I went through online searches. So I came across Sunday, Dreamg, Sleep Spa and Foams India. But their mattresses are a little bit costly, somewhere around 50k. So then I found My Morning Oval, which is this mattress, which I got it around 40k after the discount they provided me in their site. Okay, let's have a look at the content of this mattress. It was mainly made up of three parts, and the first one is the outer cover. The outer cover is ultra natural tensile cover, and it was made up of eucalyptus tree, and it gives the cooling effect even in the hottest temperatures also. It was softer than silk, and it was more absorbent than cotton, and it was cooler than the linen. Okay, let's have a look at what is under this natural tensile cover. You can find this 100% natural cotton layer beneath this tensile cover, which is hypoallergenic in nature. It prevents the mattress from dust and mite and protects from heat in the summer and cold in the winter. Okay, now let's have a look at the core of this mattress, which is made up of Dunlop latex. Okay, it's made up of pin core technology. So you can see the whole mattress is covered with lots and lots of holes. These holes makes the breathability and makes the mattress cooler even in the hotter temperatures also. And it was medium firm in nature, so that it gives best support while sleeping. Okay, the main reason I bought this mattress is the spinal alignment. Okay, I will tell you what the spinal alignment is. When we are sleeping, the spine should be straight, because how straight is our spine, which decides the spinal elements, because our body weight is different in different portions. It was more in the chest and buttocks region, and it was our body weight is less in the head and our legs region. So to maintain this unequal body weight, the mattress should cooperate with our spine and makes the spine align properly. This proper spinal alignment prevents us from back issues after long-term usage. Okay, another cool feature of this mattress is zero partner disturbance. Zero partner disturbance means if the partner which is sleeping on this side moves a lot while in their sleep, it won't affect the sleep of the other partner which was sleeping on the other side. Okay, why I choose the latex mattress is because coir mattress, spring mattress and the cotton mattress won't give the same level of comfort when compared with this latex mattress, and I wasn't very much fan of a memory foam mattress because it was made up of petroleum byproducts like polyols and isocyanates. When we sleep on a memory foam mattress, it will release the volatile organic compounds which are carcinogenic in nature. So I was not interested in memory foams, so hence I bought this natural latex mattress. Okay, why I choose My Morning Oil when compared to other brands like Sunday, Sleep Spa and Dreamg. They are offering quite less in price, and also they have free shipping all over the India, and they are providing 15-year warranty, and they have certifications like Oikotex and also the Eco Institute certifications they have. So after seeing all these certifications and sleeping on the mattress for quite a few days, I was pretty much happy with my purchase, and I would highly recommend this product to everyone who want a very good night's sleep. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next.